Once upon a time in the colorful town of Bubbleshire, a curious little girl named Lila loved asking questions about the world around her. She enjoyed spending her afternoons reading books about stars, plants, and everything in between. One sunny morning while exploring her grandmother's attic, Lila found an old dusty lab coat hanging in the corner. As she slipped it on, something magical happened. The coat began to glow and tiny sparks of light danced around her. Suddenly, she could hear a gentle voice coming from the coat. "Hello, Lila. I'm Professor Wiz's magic lab coat. Are you ready to go on a science adventure?" Lila nodded with excitement. "Let's go," she exclaimed. In an instant, the room spun around, and they found themselves in a magnificent lab with beakers bubbling and machines whirring. "Welcome to the Lab of Wonders," said the lab coat. "Today we'll learn about the marvelous world of magnets." The lab coat guided Lila to a table where there were different objects: paper clips, a marble, a rubber band, and a shiny magnet. "Magnets have something special called a magnetic field," the lab coat explained. "This energy can attract certain metals like iron." Lila picked up the magnet and moved it close to the paper clips. To her amazement, the clips jumped and stuck to the magnet. But when she moved it near the marble and the rubber band, nothing happened. "Why don't they stick?" Lila asked. The lab coat chuckled. "Because those objects aren't made of metal. Magnets can only attract metal objects." Lila's eyes sparkled with wonder. The lab coat then showed her a compass. "Do you know what this is?" it asked. Lila shook her head. "This is a compass, and it uses a small magnetized needle to show directions. The needle always points north because of Earth's magnetic field." Lila was amazed. "Earth has a magnetic field too?" "Yes, it does. And it helps sailors and hikers find their way," the lab coat replied. As the adventure wrapped up, the lab coat said, "Remember, science is all around you. Keep exploring, asking questions, and you'll discover many more wonders."